Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put picture in Excel without background. Let's get started. At first, go to your picture location and see the picture. We can see here a PNG image. This flower have not any background. Now we want to make sure the flower is PNG. Click right button and go to the properties and check the file type. Now we can see here the file type is PNG. Now we go back Excel and go to the insert menu. Select the picture option. Then go to your picture location and select the PNG image. We can see here the image, click insert. Now we can see the image is PNG. Now we can see we insert or put picture in Excel without background easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.